how to cut your cost on cloud by 50%. Again, my name is Raju Srivastava, and we're going to get started with this presentation. So I want to start with something like several years back in my own personal experience. So this is back in 2011, 2012, where I was working in a large organization, a Fortune 500 company, as an architect on the team and working on different initiatives. Fortune 500 company, a large company, at that moment of time, many were moving into cloud, and so happened to be our organization at this point of time as well. A big launch, lots of investment, and a lot of excitement as well. With all the promises of benefits which the cloud definitely brings to the table, that's what was the premise for the company and several other organizations getting into the cloud. Obviously, companies focusing on their core businesses and not on the infrastructure kind of a thing being one. Ability to be delivering things to the market very quickly and able to scale quite a bit. So all of that has been great as a promise, and cloud has delivered on that promise very successfully. One of the premise also of cloud is being cost effective. And this is the one which starts getting tricky if not implemented correctly. It's a double-edged sword. Truly, cloud is designed to be in a way of pay as you go, but if not implemented correctly and designed and used and monitored, it could really lead to large amount of bills. And that's happened exactly to the organization which I was working. Team started implementing cloud on different implementations, bringing up servers, instances left and right, and resulting in huge bills in that. I got an opportunity to really work on these initiatives and look at how we can bring this into control. There were several things which I happened to do at that point of time, starting right from talking to Amazon, which was the cloud provider for this organization, and several other things, talking to the various teams, understanding the usage pattern, understanding what's happening in terms of analytics, and coming up with a whole set of remedies and mechanisms, which actually resulted in a whooping $250,000 annual saving for that organization. And it didn't end there, and it's just continued to grow at several different clients. After that, I looked at the pattern, started offering that as a consulting services, and several clients we continued to look at and see that cloud optimization is a huge area where things can be improved, and clients are spending several millions of dollars and even billions of dollars are being spent in this industry. Now, that led me to think, how can we really improve it? And is this a real big problem? So I ran with some data